Hi everyone, welcome to English 101 Online. I'm Dana Corlett-Bryant. Today we're going to go over some of the basics of navigating this course. So let's start on the home page here. So after you log into Canvas and you select your course, you're going to see this as your home page. So the first thing I want to talk about is going to the welcome here. After you go to welcome, one of the first things I have you looking at this week is the getting started. So if you select getting started, you're going to see that there's a lot of important things for virtually all of the assignments in this course. It's going to go over the writing process, academic name use, tone and voice and style, MLA format, MLA citation guidelines, and you have a good overview of those topics right here. Next, we're going to go back home, and then we're going to look at the contact info. This is really important. If you select here, that you'll find my email address. Also, in Canvas, you're able to send me an email through Canvas right here with this inbox. If you select that, you can email myself or other people in this course. This is probably the easiest way to get in contact with me. The course syllabus is right here. The course syllabus outlines all the guidelines, expectations, the outcomes. This is very important. You should read this over. Make sure that you understand everything. Here's the course calendar. If you select the course calendar here, you can see all the assignments, everything that we're doing for this course. It's kind of action-packed here. We only have 8 weeks, right? We got a lot of stuff to get done. Also, all this information that's on the course calendar, you should see when you go to the home page. If you look over here, there's this great to-do section. So it'll tell you everything that's due for this week. If you click on it, it'll take you to the actual link. Okay? And then you can see the actual assignment. Also, besides what's due this week, it also kind of gives you a heads up on what's coming up. If you need to plan even more in advance, you can click on the View Calendar. Okay, and the View Calendar will tell you all the upcoming due dates, and you can even scroll through to the next month, or whatever you'd like to do with that. Now we're going to look at the helpful hints. We have a helpful hints section, which is just kind of a section for some things that students commonly need a little more help with. And we have some pages there that you can look at some extra materials. Also very important, it's the Canvas help. We have some Canvas tutorials here. I strongly recommend that you view this Canvas overview right away this week, especially if you don't have a lot of experience using Canvas, so you have a general working knowledge of how to navigate things in here. Also, the communication will cover more features with the inbox. Assignments will tell you, the basics of how to submit assignments, grades, how to look at your grades, which that feature is right over here, and also discussions, because one of the first things this week you're going to do is use the discussion board. We'll also be using peer reviews 3 times during this course, so here's all this information on how to use peer reviews. Alright, let's go back to the home page and talk about how this course is broken down. It's broken down into 4 course modules based on the 4 major required assignments of this course. These assignments are all required to be submitted to pass this course. Let's look at Module 1, which covers the first 2 weeks. It's over rhetorical analysis. So let's just take a real quick glance. Let's go to Week 1 assignments. Okay, let's see what this looks like. So I click on assignments, and it's going to tell me everything that I need to do for Week 1. Okay. Also, in addition to telling me what I need to do, it also links to what I need to do. So if I need to submit a mini draft of a paper, if I select that, it'll take me through to the actual mini draft. Okay. Also, you're supposed to start drafting paper 1, so it'll bring up the assignment prompt for paper 1 right here, and I can open that in Word, right, and then see that. Oh, I have a Facebook notification there. And see what paper 1 is all about. Okay. Also, if I go back to let me get there again, to Module 1, and I'm going to Week 1. I looked at the assignments and then also the resources or the materials for the week. So this is where I get all the information about rhetorical analysis. There's all kinds of great videos, great links to help us understand the topic. And then also at the bottom typically is where you'll find the pages from your text that you're to read this week. All right, so here's some basics on what we're doing here in Canvas. If you have any questions at any time, feel free to email me via the email under contact info or through the inbox here on Canvas. All right, I look forward to a great semester.